Alright guys, in this video I'm gonna detail how to turn off auto answer calls on iPhone. So if your iPhone automatically pick up all incoming calls after a particular seconds and you want to disable it, then here's a video for you. In the video, you learn basically how to turn off auto answer call and enable manual answer on your iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first one to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. Now once you open the settings app, scroll down and then select accessibility. Once you selected accessibility, you want to scroll down the accessibility page until you get to physical and motor and then select touch. Now once you selected touch, under touch you want to scroll down the page, locate and click on call audio routing. So call audio routing determines where audio will be heard during a phone call or a FaceTime audio. So click on that. Now once you click on call audio routing, locate and click on auto answer calls. Here, my auto answer call is enabled and my iPhone is going to automatically pick up the call after 7 seconds. Now to disable the auto answer call of my iPhone, what I just need to do is disable this. Then once you have auto answer calls turns to gray, that shows your iPhone will no longer automatically pick up your calls again. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.